What is up, you guys? It is your boy Brian here, coming at you with another unboxing video. It is time for Christmas season, and what better way to celebrate Christmas season than with going to the Apple Store and spending all your money there. As you can tell by the title of the video, I'm going to be unboxing the Apple Watch Series 7 Nike Edition in midnight. 41mm? Yeah, GPS, yeah. I didn't get the nice fancy cellular version because I feel like the cellular version is such a waste of money. Anyways, so the reason why I decided to go with getting an Apple Watch Series 7 is because, basically, long story short, my mother lost her Apple Watch in house renovation / house repairs and stuff like that. She hasn't had an Apple Watch since like June, and it is November, and it is the Christmas season. So we kind of made a deal where she had some leftover trade-in value for $107 left in trade-in value from trading in her phone for the iPhone 13, and she was going to get an Apple Watch Series 3, and I'm like, oh.
No. Friends do not let friends get the Apple Watch Series 3.
Because it is just not the best watch. Let's just fucking open it up. So it's kind of weird because whenever you go pick stuff up from the Apple Store, I guess they kind of do it like this. Like, it's usually like these are both fused both in the same box, and the box is a little bit thicker, but I guess for this sake that they just get you the watch itself and then the band. So anyways, it's got this weird band strips again where you have to like do this. So, okay, there we go. Do like that. Okay, there we go. And then you kind of bend it down, and oh, you can see all the cool little Apple Watch designs on the covers. So whatever. Apple, are you stupid? So, when you open this up in place of where the Apple Watch band is supposed to be, have this little fake cardboard cover to put in between it, when they literally could have just fucking put the Apple Watch band. So they literally could have fucking put the band like this, put it down like this, and literally, I can fucking do it right now. I can freaking reseal this. Are you fucking kidding me, Apple? Apple, you're so stupid. Let's look at this for a second. Look at the cool paper. I love the Apple Watch Series 4 and onwards paper design. Like, it looks really cool. Up here, yeah, the Apple Watch band. You know what it is. Like, that's how it looks with the new screen. Whatever. We're going to open this up really quickly. So we're going to do a peel tab right here. So we're going to get this on camera. Here it is. Let's open this up. Okay, so cool, nice packaging, designed by Apple, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. That's what it says, designed for athletes by Apple and Nike. I'm not a fucking athlete, I just wanted my Apple Watch early. I didn't want to wait till December to get it, so I'm not an athlete. Whatever, here is the $400 square. Apple Watches are really expensive, as you can tell. So here it is. They actually changed the material now. It's less like, before it was like more like a luxurious material, but now it's kind of just like a plasticky material. I guess because no one actually uses these. Yeah, it's paper now. It's paper. Oh, I'm kind of upset. I'm not really upset. That's kind of an understatement. It's paperwork, which literally is just fucking a sleeve of things. They don't give you Apple stickers anymore. Wait a minute. Hold on.
They don't even give you Apple stickers anymore.
Apple, you're a scam. You're a fucking scam. Apple it's got the new fast charger too, so here's how it looks. I guess I can show you that because I do need a new Apple Watch charger. So you open up like this, oh, okay. And then you kind of, I don't know, slide it out. Oh, ooh, this is actually pretty bougie. Stupid. It's got this big ass end for the USB-C, and then it's got actually a metal Apple charger. Okay. Now let's open up the band. So I pull out, it's just all right there. So here, whatever, you gotta peel this back, and you gotta take out this little kind of pull tab here. So we're gonna pull this out, and ooh. Okay, watch band going in place, I guess. I don't know what you call it. So yeah, put that down, and yeah, and voila. And now, can you tell the difference between these two watches? Can you tell the difference between these two watches? I literally can't. If I'm really a cool ass bitch, I can literally put both Apple Watches on both arms, and I can be a baller. I got 2 Apple Watches, one for the plug and one for the hose. This feels weird on this wrist. I hate this. I hate Apple Watches on the wrong wrist. It feels really weird. So, yeah, guys, that concludes the Apple Watch Series 7 unboxing. As you can see, it's right here. I'm not going to set it up for you guys because it's kind of boring and stupid. Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe to whatever you got to do. I shall see you guys in the next video. I'm going to go set something to watch now because I'm tired. Oh, look, editing Brian here. So I guess I can show you guys the Apple Watch Series 7 a little bit up close. As you can tell, here is the cool contour watch face. It kind of like moves around and stuff like that. I really do like the always on display. I thought it was kind of a stupid gimmick at first, but honestly, I like it a lot. As you can tell, the contour watch face does have that really cool effect where you can see it kind of on the side. I can kind of mimic it. Yeah, you can see it right there, which is really, really cool. But there's also a really, really awesome cool feature that I got to show you guys, which, of course, is the keyboard. So if I go into messages, this is so awkward, I apologize. So if I go into messages, and I want to message someone, I can get a full-size QWERTY keyboard where I can literally just swipe things and it can predict what I'm saying, which is kind of cool. So yeah, that's kind of cool. I don't know what it's doing, but yeah. Anyways, that is the Apple Watch Series 7. I have nothing much else to say about it. I like it a lot. I think it's a really cool watch. I love the science of it. I love the aesthetic of it. And yeah, 10 out of 10 would recommend. Fuck you, Siri. No one likes you. Okay, alright. That's the video. Alright, guys. See you later. Bye.